Welcome to Only Great Lines. This is a place for the seekers, the dreamers, and the readers. Do you ever feel that a book is too long? That you don't have the time? We believe you don't need the whole book to change your life. Sometimes all it takes is one single sentence. One line that hits your soul. One line that gives you hope. One line that tells the truth. Welcome to Only Great Lines. We read the pages. We find the gold. We share the wisdom. No noise. No distractions. Just the words that matter. Subscribe. And find your golden line.